Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this really quick tutorial. Items you'll need to make a mold are the casting resin set, clean flat workspace, gloves, disposable cups, and a stir stick. Keep in mind, you guys, this, once you mix it together, it can set pretty quickly. So you want to make sure that you don't mix too much, but you also want to make sure that you mix enough, if that makes sense. So here you'll see that I'm going to mix equal amounts of part A and part B into my third disposable cup. You want to keep each of the components separate. It's going to cause almost like a cloudy color, and once you start stirring, it's going to become clear again. So you want to make sure you stir it really good. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and start making my molds. Once you pour your resin mixture, it will only take a few minutes before they start to turn white. Please keep in mind that when you mix together the part A and B components, a reaction occurs and the molding material becomes very warm. So there you have it, quick and easy, and they come out very beautiful with a smooth, silky texture.